I saw this post from this guy called Okute Biafra, one of the cut and join Department of Ogenkere and Zona Parawa people. Trying to complain about people designing their member like this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what I feel about it because I've seen it's good to criticize what you don't like. Actually, I'm not against it that, but you cannot criticize what people know you of, like what you are known for. They know you as one of those who always blackmail, design, and cut and join information or pictures to push your narrative. Seeing people like this guy complain about a picture like this and some write-up is very, very funny to me because this is what he's known for. Not only him, just like many of them, these are people who design COS, a picture with a Fulani person with holding, rifle ammunition, um, trying to portray that she's a Fulani person. So holding that rifle and everything in a Fulani form, a Fulani attire, something like that, and design the picture like that, and many other pictures like that, is something that is not, good. In the past, DOS, like he likely mentioned here, as you can see here, we're gonna read it. They are the one that designed PM with, Fulani people, those that are tying bed sheet and all that, trying to tell you that PM is a northerner. These are people, the same people, but complaining about the same thing that you are known for is funny to me. Very, very funny. So we are going to go through it, like I said. We are going to go through it. Now read this. He said, tell me the difference between DOS and US Nigeria. Remember, they always call United States of Biafra US Nigeria. That's USN. Okay, very soon, una go add una madam COS join because she will soon run away. Very, very soon, I promise her. I am Okute Biafra TV. Okay. Deputizing by Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, the Biafran Queen Mother worldwide. You guys shall bow even in the exile, even in the exile coven, in exile coven. Now, in case you don't understand this, that he's deputizing COS, the Biafran Queen Mother worldwide, and all that. Many of you that have followed, issue of Biafran movement and Biafran freedom, if you are following very closely what happened between PM and DOS, once you read this comment, something's supposed to pump into your mind immediately, and that thing is Methuselah. Okay? The guy who called himself that he's immediately the arrest of, even before the arrest of, when they were planning mightily to arrest PM, to report him to Finnish authority and all that, he started calling himself one. And all the titles that PM, all these names that people gave to PM, the guy started calling himself that, the good guy. If you follow that very well, you should understand that that sounds like this guy. And the same person is calling other people here, to be DOS, that you are just like DOS. Very, very funny indeed. He said that he's deputizing COS and the Queen Mother, all the names that people, accolade that people gave to COS and all that. He's trying to, put that for himself in them of mocking COS. You guys shall bow even in the exile coven. Now, this is to tell you that they know what they're doing, right? Welcoming that you are, appreciating the fact that you are still in exile after declaring Biafra. Like I asked a few days ago on one of our video, I think a live stream, what is Ogenkere telling his people that he's searching for in US? Like, what is he telling congressmen that they should help him to recognize? Is it US, Nigeria, or United States of Biafra? Because they claim that Ogenkere is pushing the Biafran recognition to the world. In fact, U.S. Congress are busy looking for a way to, according to him, even someone actually said in one of our program that he's busy taking pictures with the congressmen, Democratic congressmen, not even Republican, that is in power at the moment. This is to tell you that they are not working for anything. I can assure you that. I'm not the one that designed the picture. As you can see, I'm reporting this from direct from his own platform. Okay, don't tell me that, oh, you carry report. You are the one designing your follow Biafra. I am not. I don't even know how to design this. I don't need to take accolade or praises or what other people's job. I don't even know how to put like do this kind of design. I don't know how to do it. So don't tell me that I'm the one. I'm just telling you that this guy that is talking here, they are the one, his people, his class, are the one using AI and all the. He's in Nigeria, but he knows how to do this graphic designing and everything. I can tell you that he's one of the person that started it and doing this cut and joint video every now and then. So I want to know what you think about it. I think this is the right time to tell you to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. As you can see, I'm trying to do a quick reaction without downloading the video, recording it direct from the source. So we are not going to waste much time. We have few things to share with you here. One is this, okay? One of them is this, and let me start by playing this one for you. This is the guy who just told you now that he's not happy when people, you know, design, because what all that post that he made is all about why must you design his people like that, those fallback group and those who have some their brain in the bag of some people. But he made a video, as you can see here, this post that he made here, this is 44 minutes ago as of the time of recording this video. Then he published this guy, and we are going to hear what he said. But before then, let's read the caption. He said, look at it here. When I say Ngozi is a Fulani woman, this is it. They are here opening your eyes. Now, let us hear what the person said that warrant this guy to say what he just said. Okay, let's open it. Let us take it in. So this is quite funny, to be honest with you. This guy is very stupid. So it seems like I don't know the source of the problem, but what I can understand from what I can make out from what this guy is saying is that he maybe he has spent all his life in Igbo land, okay, and somehow he believed that that where he grew up is his town, that he's an Igbo person. And I don't know him. Maybe he's an Igbo person. Maybe he's an Igbo. Maybe he's from Igbo land. Maybe he's not. But from what I can make out, like I said, from what is the complaint that he's making here, it seems like his people, him and Igbo na Oluhana no okay. agwago ebe nna gị anyị na-ekwu eji ekwu okwu na ọ bụ na ito na village maybe na owe maybe a na-eshi ihe dịka anụ maybe na owe ebe egburu anụ ọ maybe na a na-eke nama something like that ekele ya na ụlọ n'ụlọ n'ahịa ụlọ n'ahịa ụlọ rute na gị na obi nke gị ọ ga-aka gawa gị na nna gị nwoke gị ga-ahalụ oge na be nna gị in what the point. They may allow you to associate with them, do everything with them, but when it gets to sharing something that has to do like cultural stuff, nke a bụkwa nke gọvanọ na-enye ka m na-ekwu. I'm talking about the one that people share among themselves. They will tell you who is your father. Maybe that could be what happened to this guy. And the guy is not lamenting. How can you tell me that now after I spent all the years, with you people, and they're telling me that I'm a Fulani person? Maybe they know, my brother, where you come from. But see the turnout of the whole thing, how this guy twisted it, trying to say that Ngozi, that US DPM is not a Fulani like this guy. These people are very stupid. Anyway, this is the same guy telling you that designing the people like this is a problem. He said, tell me the difference between DOS and US Nigeria. Very soon, una go add una madam COS join because she will soon run away. Very, very soon. So, what he's trying to say is that those ones have fall back, maybe add Remedios and Oyankad. So maybe he's trying to tell you that COS will soon give up and fall back, that you people will soon add her as well. And according to him, he said, they don't joke with the threat, right? He said here, where is that? Because she will, okay, he said, very, very soon, I promise her that she will fall back. I am Okudete. So we are waiting for that, but don't delete this your post because in your WhatsApp group they will tell you guys go and delete. Your threat is that post that you say somebody made a video about your post. Go and delete it. Go and delete it. Remember, this is a video and it's on my platform. So don't tell me that you're gonna delete it. So let us discuss about this thing that Aloy Jimako post. He made this post today, as you can see, 4 hours ago. And what he said here, to me, is worth sharing. So let us read it together. The IPOB leader the IPOB leader further emphasized the need for the Igbo community to support their freedom fighters, cautioning against the tendency to abandon those who fight for their cause. Okay, Mazakan can never. That man, honestly, he cannot. He cannot. You know, do otherwise. He's very, very truthful. Very, very truthful. You can just imagine what somebody who is in the hands of Nigerian security, how bold, how strong, how confident this man is. Unbeatable, unshakable. When he was saying those things in his live program years ago, people actually don't take it like it's something that is achievable or that once they push him, he will fall away. Even those holding him now don't believe that he will still standing until this day. That is, I mean, I don't want to say much, so it's not be as if I am happy and anything. But if you know, please. Very, very important. Just read this again. Even some of us that in our comfort home or in our private houses, hiding and panicking, don't have even the confidence or the zeal, the temerity to say this kind of thing. We always choose to select our word. But look at what he said. Because he knows his rights, he stands on that and he is ready to defend it. Anytime, any day. Who can do that? Very, very few. That's why when I said I'm not a freedom fighter, how can you just connect me to people like this? I mean, I'm not in that level, please. That's why some of you don't appreciate. Can we just because it's an insult to even call me a freedom fighter? Do you understand? It's an insult to Master Namonakan. I am not. It's an insult to Master Namonakan. Many of you that want to hear that, oh, you are a freedom fighter, you are fighting, I'm not fighting. Look at people, look at men, just read what Master Namonakan said here through his lawyer. That you are creating content does not mean that you're a freedom fighter. Some of us refuse to accept it because some of us actually want to bear that title. Me and Master Namonakan is the same now. And they will go there. Okay, my people, I just want to share these few things with you this hour, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. God bless you, and see you again. Bye bye for now.